What is a vanishing point for parallel lines? Imagine walking down a long, straight road. The edges of the road are parallel, but as you look toward the horizon, they seem to come together at a single point. That point is what we call the vanishing point. It's a special spot in a drawing or picture where parallel lines appear to meet, even though in real life they never actually do. When we draw or look at images in perspective, this helps us see how objects seem smaller as they get farther away, creating a sense of depth. In art and design, the vanishing point is used to make scenes look three-dimensional on a flat surface. Think about a railway track stretching into the distance. The two rails are parallel, but in the drawing, they seem to converge at a single point on the horizon. That's the vanishing point for those parallel lines. It's like a magic spot where all lines that run in the same direction seem to meet. When we study algebra and graphing, especially with linear functions and lines, the idea of a vanishing point helps us understand how parallel lines behave. On a flat graph, parallel lines have the same slope and will never cross. But in perspective drawings, these lines seem to meet at the vanishing point. This is because the drawing is showing a three-dimensional view on a two-dimensional surface. The vanishing point depends on the direction of the lines, not where they are located. All lines that go in the same direction share the same vanishing point. It's always on the horizon line, which is at your eye level. If you change your viewpoint, like moving your head or sitting down, the horizon line and the vanishing point also change position. In one-point perspective drawings, there is only one vanishing point where all lines parallel to one direction meet. In more complex perspectives, like two-point or three-point, there are multiple vanishing points for different sets of parallel lines. From a math point of view, the vanishing point is like a point at infinity in the direction of those lines. It makes the lines look like they meet infinitely far away. Knowing about vanishing points helps us draw objects more accurately and understand how three-dimensional scenes work in art, architecture, and computer graphics. It's a simple idea that makes complex scenes easier to visualize and draw. So, in short, the vanishing point for parallel lines is the spot where those lines seem to meet in a perspective drawing, helping us see space and depth clearly.